You wanna go to that alley or you gonna go straight? Shout out to Erica and Tran. So maghahanap na naman kami ng restaurant kung saan kami kakain. Ito na yung breakfast namin. Ito yung tinatawag lang the Bavarian. Lahat pati potato pinagsama-sama nila. Tapos si husband. Magandang umaga. Kami po ay aalis na. Ay, hindi pa kami aalis. Kakain lang po kami ng breakfast. Maghahanap kami ng breakfast place dito sa Leavenworth. At yung mga kasama namin tulog pa sila. So kami ay maglalakad-lakad. At maganda naman maglakad kasi tingnan niyo ang view ko. Ayan po ang aming view. Marami pa pong tulog. Ito po yung kwarto namin at kitang-kita yung aking Trader Joe. Tapos dito po, tingnan para kami nasa Germany. Feel ko talaga na Germany ang aming didiretso lang daw po kami dito at marami hong kainan na bukas na breakfast places. Doon banda ang Starbucks. Pero hindi na muna. Pumunta kami dito, hindi sa Starbucks. Nagpunta kami dito para kumain ng authentic German breakfast. Yan na po. Ito magandang parking dito sa amin. Yan, ganyan-ganyan lang. I-scan mo na lang. Tapos, bayad ka na lang ng ganyan. Social Tapos tingnan yung basura namin dito. Ang linis-linis ng basura. Pansinin nyo, napakalinis. Linis-linis ng daan dito. Wala pong dumi. Wala pa ako nakikitang dumi dito. Oh, they said we can just, he's still sleeping. I just gave them that we're gonna be walking and look for a breakfast place. Looks like we found some places now. Ako, Erica, you got a store here named after you. It says Hand House Erica. You know that Erica and Trent are watching our vlog. Shout out to Erica and Trent. Lance said he wants to sit in. Meron dito breakfast to go. Open to public. 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. I think we can sit down here. I think so. Oh, they're still. Oh, no, I think they're still closed. So we have to go find another place. Pero parang ayan siya, And look at that. We have to take picture over here. Ito po, This is what they call the Glastein. Glastein, right? Yeah, ito po yung Glastein ng Germany. Ito nilalagay mga beer. So, ang laki-laki lalagyan ng beer na yan. Check namin ito. At, oh my God, there's a bagel company. Yes. Dito po tayo. Ganda ng lugar. Talagang German parang sa Germany kami. Ito po yung hospital nila. Marami pang snow sa taas. Ha? Where's the bank? No, that's a hospital. It's their hospital. Emergency. It says there. Emergency hospital. There you go. So, dito po kami kakain. Kung sila ay bukas. Mukhang Bavarian Bagel Company. Dito kami kakain. Oh, they're still closed. Are they closed? Ayan, mukhang madaming tao sa loob. Tingnan itsura ko. Mukha akong nakataas. Ayan, pagkain po dito. Ngayon, pipila po kami. So, pipila tayo. Dito. We're gonna go. They have massage too. Ang daming tao. So, alis po kami kasi o-order ka lang at kakain. Tinan mo yung mga yan o doon sila kumain. Kami, hindi. Gusto namin talaga kumain sa loob. So, maghahanap na naman kami ng restaurant kung saan kami kakain ng breakfast. Actually, doon banda, marami. We can still go over there. That's the mall. Ito yung mall nila. I know, but that's only when you're gonna go order food. You cannot sit there. You cannot dine. I know. You saw their menu. So ito po yung kanilang mall, Obertal Mall. So you wanna go over there? We can walk because there's so many restaurants over there.
Yeah, this is cool.
Okay, we can walk. No, this is our mall. So we can just walk where? We can walk over here. Oh, they got brunch over here. Look, the kitchen. I think they're open. I think so. Let's see, let's see. There's another here. It says brunch, kitchen and bar. Pero mukhang wala akong nakikita sa loob. Are they gonna open? Let's see. It's 9 o'clock daw po. Ang hirap. Mahirap pala. Na-exercise din po kami. Habang naghahanap ng makakain. Meron dito G5 espresso bar. Pero mukhang mamaya Pax close pa raw siya. Eh, sige, doon na. Let's just go in front then. Ay, that's our store. That's the store that we all used to go.
Maybe we'll get to see it.
Why don't we walk in this alley? We can find something in the alley. What do you think?
I don't know, man.
What happened? You wanna go to that alley or you gonna go straight?
Go straight.
Oh, go straight over here. Okay. You won. Let's go. You know where we're gonna eat breakfast? Remember when we were staying at the, what's the place of that? The Bavarian Lodge? There's a breakfast place right beside. I don't know if still, after the pandemic. Dito po kami nag-shopping minsan. Actually kahapon, gusto nila mag-shopping kami dyan, kaya lang tamad na ako.
Well, we could go across the street and just get in there.
I know, that's what I told you. We have to go to the alley. habang naglalakad kami, may mga Filipino na nagpa-picture dun sa dulo. Taga Isabela. So, yung mga taga Isabela, taga San Mariano daw sila. And they live in Oregon. First time daw nila dito sa Leavenworth. Yan. Kami ilang beses na. Tuwing may bisita, dito namin dinadala sila. Yung Nutcracker, museum po siya na store. Dito ko binili yung mga Nutcracker ko. So, magta-turn left kami ngayon. And hopefully we can find some breakfast places here. Para kami umikot lang. Grabe. Grabe ikot namin. Sawa ko talaga. Napa-exercise na po ako ng tsura ko. Gusto ko sana tumawid dyan. Sabi niya, dito daw tayo. May mga galing dito. May breakfast place. Breakfast sila. Ayan. Breakfast at siya. Toy open. Open sesame. Pasok po tayo. There you go.
Two?
Yeah, for two.
Yeah, I'll get you this over here on the right, okay?
Okay. Dito po kami. They have European breakfast. Ang European breakfast nila is European style bacon, tomato, arugula, and an English muffin with poached egg and parang egg benedicts naman yan. Egg benedict. So, meron din silang smoked salmon. Benedicts pala yung dog. Hindi ko nabasa. Yan, minsan basahin pa kahit dun sa pinakataas. Ang kakainin ko. Have some loaded biscuit, Bavarian. I'm gonna get the Bavarian, honey. Bratwurst, bacon, mushroom. I think this is a omelette. They have a Gouda cheese. They have chorizo burrito too. Parami yan. Papunta dito, papasok sila. Siya omelette, may sariling omelette din. Hindi sila sariling omelette. Pero yung kukunin ko yung the Bavarian. Bratwurst, bacon, mushroom, green onions, arugula, crispy house potatoes, toast together with the smoked Gouda cheese, ayok sauce, and topped with 2 over easy eggs. Yung nakakainin ko ngayon. Gutom ako eh. May reklamo. Nandito na ang breakfast namin. Ito yung tinatawag lang the Bavarian. Yung kanina sinabi ko na meron dito ang bratwurst and lahat pati potato pinagsama-sama nila. Tapos si husband, of course, what's that? Is that the chicken
Sour cream.
Oh my gosh, so you can put it here. You Yeah, okay. Just put it here, honey. Dump it there. Dump it there. Dump it there. Hindi po pwede ang asawa ko sa sa sour cream. So ako na lang po kakain. Allergic po siya sa... Yeah, here, honey. May ano siya. Ayan. Ganyan po kayo pag sa asawa nyo, hindi kayo dapat hayaan nyo lang yung asawa nyo. You have to take care of your husband. So that's a chicken fried steak, right? Yeah. So chicken fried steak po siya. Laki, ang dami yung chicken fried steak. Ala. Ang dami na po pumapasok dito, mga mapupuno, papunta rin sila princess dito. Kaya mamaya pag sila nandito, maghihintay sila. Punuan na po, kanina pa konti lang, kami lang, siguro 6 lang kami ngayon. Mapupuno na mga tables nila. Hindi ko naman pwedeng ipa-reserve kasi hindi ko alam anong time sila pupunta. O sige, kakain na po ako. Kuhan po natin pagkain na yung tinatawag na may eggs po na nasa ano niya. So, away, yung bakante. Sarap. Their bratwurst is so good. This one has no, well, I think they have a sauce. Forget the name. Well, the sauce is good. This is the country potato steak. Country potatoes. They put all the ingredients together and then they put 2 eggs on the top and the sauce. Ang sarap po. Yummy, yummy. Alam niyo, pag pumupunta ako sa ibang lugar, I see to it, I eat breakfast or dinner or lunch na hindi ko nakakain na madalas. Siyempre, yun na nga ang yun ang thrill or may pumapasok na naman. Kaya sabi ko, bilisan nyo yan. Mga kasama ko. Masarap po siya. Tsaka yung potato nila, very crispy. Guys, thank you very much. Finally, nakakita kami ng breakfast place dito sa Leavenworth. Recommended ko talaga. Yung tapat ng hospital. Ang pangalan is Louis Cafe. Bukas sila. Masarap po. Tsaka magaling din ang service nila rito. Super sarap ang pagkain nila. Thumbs up ako sa pagkain. Don't forget to like and subscribe.